This is a demonstration scene to explain how the reflection probes work. So if you want this object, this car object, I'll make sure to link it down below in the description so you can download it for free. And let's see how you can make these reflections work. So if you go to your model, which I have right here, it works normally. I'm gonna delete this and show you how exactly it's gonna work. So first of all, I'm gonna delete this completely. To create a reflection probe is as simple as right-clicking into your hierarchy, go into your light and select reflection probe. Now this is your reflection probe, obviously. So the one thing you want to know about this is that let's first parent it to this Cayman and reset the position. Make sure you have it above so it catches all the details around it. So the first thing we want to do is set the type to real time. Now this basically works perfectly fine. But if we go into our side view, we'll see that the box size of this thing is calculating all this non-used space. So to fix that, just reset this box size to whatever fits you the best. Once you resize your box, there's basically nothing left you can do. Just set this to all faces at once. And obviously, if you want a higher detail, you can go with these options. But these are very pricey in the performance wise. Now I'm in play mode and I just want to show how heavy these reflection probes are in the performance. So if I disable this, immediately the frame rate goes higher. And one thing I want to mention is that I am using post-processing to make it look more realistic. And this is how the game works.